You're here to learn how you can stream a fitness class on your website, and you will need a WordPress site, WP Stream, OBS Studio, and your phone or your webcam. I'm Beatrice, and I've been helping streamers like yourself go live on their website and monetize live streams and videos for about 6 years now. So I'm starting off with selecting a fitness theme. So I went to Appearance and clicking on Themes, and I'm just looking through different themes that I want to maybe have my website look like. So there's so many different options, thousands to pick from that are free to install and use. And I'm just going to select this Bosa Gym Fitness. I think it looks the best for what I'm trying to achieve. So this is how the theme looks like. Now I want to click on Get Started. And as you can see, it's currently processing. So there are a bunch of demos that this theme has, and I want to import this first one. So I'm going to click on Install and Activate Bosa. That was pretty quickly done, and I'm going to click on yes. And this is how my website looks like. So in just a few seconds, basically, I already have my fitness website, and all I need to do is just replace the text, images, and things like that. And I highly recommend that you use WordPress for this specific reason, because it's very simple and straightforward to install one of the themes, and they're free and they're easy to use. So what I want to do is actually add a link or embed a live stream on a specific page on this website. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. So Elementor is a page builder that this theme looks like it uses, which is pretty straightforward. So I want to click on this arrow over here, and I want to paste my link here. So this is the page with my live stream. So I'm going back, and now I want to go to plugins and add plugins and look up WP Stream. So we're saving the link part for later. I am installing the WP Stream plugin and then activating it once that's done. And this is the plugin that we're using to actually live stream. I'm just logging in and clicking on Go Live and creating my first free to view channel. And I'm just going to name it My Fitness Class and create channel. Now I want to add a few more details like a description, some images, tags, featured image, categories, and things like that, just like you would with a normal page on WordPress. And I'm updating this page. Now I have this section over here, the live streaming section, and I want to click on um, View Channel, or just select Copy Link Address. So this is the link that I was talking to you about earlier. So I want to select this arrow and paste this URL. So once you click on this arrow, you'll be able to be taken to the page with the live stream. So I've just published this, and let's check it out. So I'm clicking on this arrow, and here is the page with the channel that I've just created. So this is the channel. Now that that's done, I'm going back and turning on my channel. Once it's turned on, click on Go Live with External Streaming App, and we're using OBS Studio. I'm opening OBS Studio and copy and pasting the server and stream key. So here's OBS Studio, and I'm going to click on Settings, Stream, and under Custom, we're pasting the server and stream key like I said. Okay, and start streaming. Once that's done, let's minimize this, exit this, and let's go to the page with the channel. So as you can see, it is playing right over here. So we have the title, we have description, we have about the author, we also have a comments section. So if anyone wants to leave comments, and just like that, you can basically go live on your website and you can have a live stream playing of your workout class with people joining in and working out with you. And after your live stream is done, you can definitely just record it and just publish it and sell it later for money. So you can also monetize your live streams and your videos. And that is basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.